Hi everyone, here I'm going to introduce you a new technology called Google Cloud Functions. The Google Cloud Function is serverless. It means as a developer, we don't need to consider the setup of a server. Instead, we only need to concentrate on coding business logics. All we need to do is to code Node.js functions that's supported by the Google Cloud Function, and the Google Cloud SDK is able to compile it to machine code. Google Cloud Functions is charged by the running time, the code, and the number of HTTP calls received. It's very fast and convenient.
So let's start. Before you create your project, you need to set up your account, and that's all. And then go to the Google platform to create a project. Like this. This tutorial follows the Google instructions, the quick start of the Google functions, Google Cloud Functions, and the second step is learn how to enable billing. However, this is complete at the time you are set up your account. So we just go straight through to enable the API of your project. You can just click the link to enable the Google Cloud Function API for your project. However, you can also go to the homepage of your project, select API, and search for Google Cloud API to enable this API for your project. And the next step is to create the body of the Google Cloud Functions. So we just create the name of the function. Just leave it like that. And select the trigger, which is HTTP at this moment. And for the source code, we just use inline editor. And we just select Node.js 6 as the runtime. And for the function itself, we just create a function named hello world. And it send request and receive response. The message itself is it's the request message and the request body, and the response. If this function works perfectly, the response should be the status of 200, and the message is the message itself. After that, we are going to deploy the function. So just go back to the create function page and click expand. Here we can just create the function and wait it to be deployed. After it's successfully deployed, the circle should turn into a green one. Okay, now it turns to green and it means the function is successfully deployed. Then we go to the next step, which is testing the function. And yeah, just click here, select test function. And then in the trigger event, we can write anything that we like to text the function. So we just write a small message that is in a JSON format. And then we can just click the test function button. The output should be displayed below. And then we can view the logs. Although we don't have to develop the server itself, and however the Google do the server stuff for us, and we still have to view the logs. It takes time to generate the logged message. Well, now you can see the logs is all generated, and the status code is 200, which is just the same as what we have said before. It means the function is successfully executed. And if you want to view all the logs, you need to go to the function page and click view log. Yeah, and here you can see all the logs of this function. However, that's all.